Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here on the video guys. So guys, we are gonna do try not to laugh challenge. So guys, we are each have one heart. We laugh once, it's done. No, you are gonna be done. So I'm gonna watch the video. No, I don't have habit of this.
I didn't laugh.
I didn't laugh.
I did not laugh.
What is he doing?
It's you. Don't in the bathroom.
I was dead. Oh. Okay, no. Aren't we laughing?
Oh, give me that.
Oh. No problem.
So cute.
Wow. He's Messi.
Messi Ronaldo Jr.
Faster.
Usain Bolt. Lamborghini fall down. Oh no.
Oh, he's recording himself.
Okay.
Doing stupidness.
Shaktiman and fall down. Oh. Okay, that's. Oh my god. Like literally nobody is laughing.
Oh,
my
this
god.
here is try not to laugh.
Oh. Yeah. Oh my god.
So guys, everybody laughed in one of these, so we all need to do punishment. The punishment is we need to do sit-ups and say we will never laugh 10 times.
Oh no.
Each one will come front and say, first let me go.
Okay, let's go. Adrian, go.
Wow, I will never laugh. 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 Last one. I will never laugh.
Good.
Yeah. Four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
Tommy. Hi guys. I will never laugh.
One,
I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh. TikTok, I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never bhangra. What is it, bhangra?
I'm not even seeing what's
I
going
will
on.
never laugh. Don't laugh. I will never laugh.
Yes,
I will never laugh. Never laugh. I will 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 never laugh. Yes. Finally. Sorry.
I will never laugh. 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 I will never not laugh. I will never. I don't even care. So I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh. I will never laugh.